Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Welcome to my channel and talks on healthy lifestyle management. Today's topic of talk is on exercise for our health. You would have heard it many times before. Regular exercise is good for you and it can help you lose weight. But if you are like many present day busy professionals, you are busy, you have a sedentary job, and you haven't yet changed your exercise habits. The good news is that it is never too late to start. You can start slowly and find ways to fit more physical activity into your life. To get the most benefit, you should try to get the recommended amount of exercise for your age. If you can do it, the payoff is that you will feel better, help prevent or control many diseases, and likely even to live longer. I have kept few exercise clips here for you. Choose which are good for you. Now go to the health benefits of exercise. Exercise improves cardiovascular functions, tones up muscles leading to strength and endurance, improves appetite and digestion, and increases bone density by calcium retention in bones. Cycling, yoga, and swimming increases the flexibility of muscles. Exercise increases lung efficiency. Exercises lowers blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Exercise reduces overweight in obese people. Exercise also increases HDL cholesterol for a healthy heart. Now let us check what researchers and neuroscientists tell about doing exercises. It is quite amazing. Neuroscientists confirm that exercise gets you better mood, better energy, better memory, and better attention to all of us in whatever age we may be. They claim exercise is the most transformative thing that you can do to your brain today. It has immediate effect on your brain. A single workout that you do will immediately increases levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and noradrenaline. That is going to increase your mood right after that workout. Scientists say a single workout can improve your ability to shift and focus attention, and that focus improvement will last for at least 2 hours. Studies have shown that a single workout will improve your reaction times, which basically means you are going to be faster in catching a pack of biscuits that fall on the counter, which is very important. Your reflex improves dramatically. These immediate effects are transient. It improves your cardiorespiratory function. Exercise actually changes the brain's anatomy, physiology, and function. It starts with the brain area, the hippocampus. Exercise actually produces brand new brain cells in the hippocampus, increases its volume, as well as improve your long-term memory. The most common finding in the neuroscience studies looking at effects of long-term exercise is improved attention function on your prefrontal cortex. You not only get better focus and attention, but the volume of the hippocampus increases as well. You not only get immediate effect of mood with exercise, but those last for a longer time. You get long-lasting increase in those good mood neurotransmitters. The most transformative thing that exercise will do is its protective effect on your brain. Just think about the brain like a muscle. The more you working out, the bigger and stronger your hippocampus and prefrontal cortex gets. That is important because the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus are two areas that are more susceptible to neurodegenerative diseases and normal cognitive decline in aging. These findings simply suggest you to commence your 40 minutes daily walking or any of the exercise shown in the video according to your choice and age without any further delay, if not already started. I am a regular exercise doer since several years and I am now in my 76th birth year. I feel great all the time. I enjoy doing my work, playing my music, and also making these videos for you. If I can be like that with my regular workout, then I presume you also certainly can. Make your priorities clear and jump start into it. Hope you enjoyed this talk. With best wishes, I remain. So long, stay healthy and happy, and bye from me.